Are you looking to launch an online store for Islamic items, shrine-related products, tasbihs, Islamic books, or spiritual gifts? Our Shopify shrine theme is built just for you, combining spiritual aesthetics with powerful e-commerce features. Highlight features: elegant shrine-inspired design with beautiful calligraphy accents. Fully responsive for mobile, tablet, and desktop. Easy drag-and-drop editing. No coding needed, donation and zakat module. Integration available, optimized for fast checkout and secure payment gateways. Built-in blog and event section for content sharing. Supports Urdu, Arabic, and RTL languages. SEO optimized and lightweight for faster performance. Who it's for? Perfect for shrine stores, Islamic centers, dargahs, or spiritual influencers who want to sell products with a meaningful, peaceful brand image. Call to action. Start your sacred e-commerce journey today. Grab the Shrine Shopify theme now and get free installation, one-time payment, no hidden fees,